Galaxy. Hi there.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good afternoon. Unmute. Can you see me? What happened? Where are you? Couldn't see you.
Really?
Hi there. Can you see me?
Yes, I see you.
Where am I? Where am I? I couldn't see my face. What happened to my face?
เปิดกล้องฮะ
There you are. Don't mute. Unmute. Use your. Okay, who are coming? Me. How are you doing today? How is everyone? How is everybody? Who else are coming? So how many of you? Let's see. Who are joining now? Unmute. Can you hear? Please unmute. I cannot hear you.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Good afternoon. Who is this? Sin. I don't see your face.
No, I eat a handsome girl.
You're eating?
Good morning, teacher.
Good
How
morning.
old are you?
I handsome is the สาวๆหัวใจละลาย
How was your New Year?
ไหลเต้
Why don't I see your faces? I want to see your faces. I miss seeing your face.
ไอไม่อยากเปิดอะแต่ว่า
สาวหัว
เดี๋ยว
ใจ
เปิด
ละ
หั
ลา
วย ใจสลายว่างั้น
ไม่อะไรหรอก
Video.
ดักทางไม่หมด
เดี๋ยวไปลอง
มิสเตอร์แซดเมาเทนแซดจะให้อ่านว่าอะไรเนี่ย
So I'm going to close. I'm going to also close my
ไปเปิด
video.
กล้องอีกเลยเปิดกล้องคุยกับทีเชอร์สิ
แชทปะล่ะ
ทันก็เปิดสิทัน
But
โอ
video.
เคเลย
เปิดละ
And
ถ้า
unmute.
ต้องมีคนเปิดอะหูถูกอายอะทีเชอร์หูยังไม่อาบน้ำเลยเนี่ย
ทำไม Teacher Debbie also ไม่ได้อาบน้ำวันนี้
ก็ไม่ได้อาบน้ำกันหมดอะ
เลย Teacher Debbie ไม่ได้อาบน้ำวันนี้อันนี้
เอาผมอาบครับผมคนดีพอครับ
ไอ้นัทเทกับ
Yeah. Why? That's okay.
it's cool
It is cold.
อี
Okay.
คู
Why don't you have
Are you
hot
so
water?
ร่างกายเงาเฟกเลย
It's freezing. So you see, my hair is also tight because I did not have a bath.
พี่นายมามาแล้ว
ที่ไหนฮู้มาแล้วฮู้
พี่เยสนายเกมเมอร์เหรอ
ชัยนนท์
ครับผม
สวัสดีนายเกมมิ่ง
ครับผม Who are in here? Hi there. See, I'm in Phuket.
ผมน่าจะเดือด
Where are we? Where am I? Okay,
Who
let's
am
see
I?
who else are coming. Admit. Okay, let's see. Okay.
ใส่ไหมครับ ป้องกันโควิดครับ
หา Teacher Debbie
ป้องกันโควิด-19
COVID-19
Oh, what about COVID-19? Never mind COVID-19. COVID-19 cannot see us, cannot contract us because we are inside our homes and we are doing the Zoom class.
เปิดกล้องเลยเอาหน้าตาอร่อยๆมาแล้ว
อ๋อพี่นนท์
เฮ้ยผู้ชายแป้งอยู่เนี่ย
Hey, listen,
Nên năm
teacher
tua con
one
nuôi.
is online. Yeah, teacher one is there.
ให้เขากินมาม่าก่อน
You didn't eat lunch yet?
yes
ไม่ได้กินข้าวเหรอ
ใช่
ไม่
แล้ว
ได้กิน
กินอะไรอ่ะ
กิน
นูด
ขน
เดิล
ม
นูดเดิล
Oh, kin mama. Oh, teacher Demi also had I had
you
pasta.
kill a mother no you
What?
you eat mama is mother
No, I don't eat mama. I eat noodles, okay? I don't eat mother. My mother is not here.
I
Okay.
don't eat mama I need my speed
เขาเรียกว่านูดเดิล
So, how was your holiday? Did you go anywhere?
play game
Mm.
I eat play game and play game แล้วก็ play game
Remove your
Play
mask.
game,
I
play
cannot
game.
see you. Remove your mask.
ฮะ
Mask.
อ๋อคณิตศาสตร์
Remove your mask.
อันนี้เราเรียนแมทด้วย
Hey.
ตรงตัว
Mask. We are on Zoom. What is that?
โอ้โหให้ร้อง
Oh, nice boat. Saya mask. Okay, can we start now?
ยาเรยาเร
Hey.
พี่นนท์จากสักหนึ่งบทเพลงนี่พี่นนท์สักหนึ่งบทเพลงไหม
เตาไปหนึ่งทีอ่ะ
Okay, did you watch the video I sent last week? Atiti Leo, Teacher Demi sent a video about the polygons. Did you watch it? Or did anybody watch it? Plus 10 points if you watch. Who watched? Where are you? There, better to see you. Nice. Oh, you're making TikTok. You're dancing.
มาดูนี่ดูกันทำไง
No, no, no. Don't play the music. Please. Okay, can we start? Let's start now. Same. Okay, unmute, because I want you to speak also. I want you to talk when I ask or when I tell you to say
เอ
something.
อ
Unmute.
นี่แล้วก็เรา
Okay, so are you ready now? Can you see your screen? Where did you go? Why do I only have one student here, Chayanon? Why do I only have Chayanon on the screen? Oh, there. What happened to you, Maito? How was your weekend, Maito? Okay, can we start now?
yes
Please. Okay. So on the board, on the screen, you could see the slides about the polygon. So let me check. So there. So let's have a really quick review on lines. So lines or the line segments make up a polygon. And you have points. So what are the points used for? Points are the vertices, or they are the vertex or the corners wherein lines, segmented lines, connect or intersect. And then you have planes. So planes, that is the area or the space where a two-dimensional shape is laid on. Now you have angles. What are angles? What is an angle? Unmute. Chayanon, what is an angle? Chayanon,
ครับ
what? What is an angle?
องศาแน่นอน100%
Okay, so angle is that is the shape formed by two intersecting segment lines or two straight lines. Now let's see. When we say polygon, we are talking about a shape, two-dimensional shape. It is a flat shape. They have sides. They may have equal sides, or some sides are not equal. So these are, but anyway, they have sides. And then you have the vertex or the vertices. And you have the angles. The angles, so look at the picture. So in this side, there you would see you have the sides or the outside, the lines. How many sides are there? There are 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 5 sides. Oh, Panika, please unmute. Everybody unmute. Unmute.
โอเค
Unmute. Everybody unmute, because I want you to answer also. I want you to talk. I will let you do something else on the screen. I will let you write, okay? So please unmute.
โอเค
Okay, very good. Thank you. Now here, team.
What?
So on the screen, you see the sides of a pentagon. How many sides are there? There are
5
5. Yes. Why do we say 5? Because penta means 5. Remember that. Penta means 5.
โอเค
Now, on the next slide, you have the vertex. What is the vertex? So vertex, this is the point or the corner where the two straight lines intersect or connect. So we call this vertex. So again, we are talking about a pentagon. So therefore we have 5 vertices, 5 points or 5 corners.
เรียนแค่10 โมงถึงเที่ยง
You can write it down or you can take pictures.
ตอน
No
10 โมง
problem.
เข้าอันนี้ตอน11 โมงมาเข้าอันนี้
And then you have the angles. So when we say angles, we are talking about this, the formation, the corner, okay, the corner inside your shape, inside the pentagon. This is the shape formed by the intersecting lines. So they are formed just inside by the vertices or the vertices. So those are your angles. Now, on next slide. So what does it mean? Can you read? Oh my goodness.
Polygon
Polygon, what does it mean? So when we say poly, it means
Poly
many.
Many or multi
Yes, that is many or multi or multi. แปลว่าอะไร? It means many. So how
มัน
many?
เยอะแล้วก็มีแบบ
More
แบบ
than one. But normally, no, it's not more than one. It should be more than 2 because there is no flat closed shape that is only two-sided. It should be three-sided, and that is your triangle. Now, so poly means many or multi, and gon means angle. So that makes sense when we say polygons are closed shapes, two-dimensional shapes that have many angles. Again,
Angle.
polygons, yes, very good. Polygons are
Polygon.
multi-sided and multi-angled shapes, two-dimensional shapes. They are closed shapes. They are flat shapes. That's why we call them two-dimensional, okay? So again, poly means many, more than two sides and two angles. So next, yes. Okay, now there. So in here you see the pentagon. You can take picture if you want. You can take a photo. If you are, I know you are lazy at writing, so you can take a photo. No worries.
Okay.
Okay. So that's okay. You can ask your mom, your daddy to take a photo, or if you have your phone with you, you can take a photo of the screen I'm sharing. So here we have the pentagon. So this is our best example. So you have the vertices. As you see, the red colored corners inside are what we call vertex or vertices. And then the lines with the gray arrow pointing easy, they are the sides.
Yep.
Now, okay. Who else? Somebody is,
What?
yeah, somebody is coming. How many of them? There you go. I'm sorry, I have to check your classmates. I have to let your classmates in so that they may not have the video, but I could, at least we could hear them. Okay, so here you have your pentagon. So it's very easy just to remember that polygons are closed shapes. Polygons are two-dimensional flat shapes. They cannot be open. In other words, all the segmented lines or the straight lines intersect or connect in corners, and these corners are the vertices. So one corner means one intersecting point is what we call vertex, but if it is two, we call or we say vertices. เข้าใจไหม?
เข้าใจ
I only have one student here talking. One student and teacher Demi only talking. Why is this so? Everybody unmute. There. So you can write it down or you just remember it. Polygons and their angles. Now next. So what kind of polygon? So can you give me a polygon that is having three sides, angles, and vertices equally, or they have equal sizes? The sides, the angles, internal angles, and external angles are equal. What polygon is that? There are three equal sides, three equal angles. Yes, Sim?
Hey, please speak slowly.
Speak slowly. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. My question
Okay.
is that what polygon has three equal sides, three equal angles? We studied that before. What is this? What polygon is this? Its angle is 60 degrees.
90 degree
Yeah, 3 sides แปลว่าอะไร 3 you have 1 2
ไอ้
and
โง่
3 yes
สามเหลี่ยม
oh what is สามเหลี่ยมแปลว่าอะไรสามเหลี่ยมภาษาอังกฤษ
ไอ้โง่
triangle yes
triangle
very good that's the triangle you see oh you forgot your lesson okay so it says there are exactly 2 sides that meet at the vertex but the sides do not cross so if the sides are like this they are always like that or like that they never go like this because if the sides crosses or intersect they are called irregular polygons. Now let's move on to the next one. Where are your classmates? I think they are sleeping.
no
Where are they? Wake them up.
I think he play game
Yes. Why did you join the class if you play game then? That's okay. Doesn't matter. You can always watch the video. Now here. So can you think of any geometric shapes that you see inside your homes, even on the streets, and at your parents or mommy's work or daddy's work, and also in sports? So what are the shapes that you could think about at home? What two-dimensional flat shape, closed shape do you have at your home?
circle
Again?
circle
Good. Circle does not have side.
อ๋อ
Sides แปลว่าอะไร sides here.
ขนาด
Inside your homes, what do you see?
ที่ชื่อฟังไทยไม่ออก
Come on, think. This one, you look at this picture. So you have the sides, flat sides there. This is what you call side. This one, this is a side. What picture or what thing or object in your homes that have sides?
television
Television, very good, yes. So the front or the screen of your television, like your cell phone, your laptop, they are who is writing? Chayanon. Okay, so you're doing the annotation. That's okay. So you see, you have, now let me see this. You also have the television. So television has this side. That's another side there and another side. So your television looks like this. So that is actually a rectangular. So how many sides are there? There are 4 sides, right? How many? Question. How many in your rectangular or your television? How many equal sides? When we say equal, we mean the same เหมือนกัน size or amount. How many?
One.
How many sides are it? Yes, 2 sides. It could be so they are always opposite side. This is 1 and that's another 1 there. And this is another side. So that is this side and that side, 1 equal side, and this side and that side, another 1 equal side. So we call this parallel. Do you still remember the word parallel? Parallel. So I will write parallel there. So they are parallel. You remember the word parallel?
No.
Parallel means these are lines that go together. They don't cross, okay? They always go together. So these lines are opposite the other. So when we say opposite, from this side, that one side there is parallel to the line here. And the side on this one, the left side and the right side are parallel, okay? The top side and the bottom side are parallel. This is what we call parallel. So what is parallel? These are lines that go together. They
The
are,
sides are opposite.
yes, very good. Oh, you see, the sides are opposite. So they are exactly of the same size or the same length. That is the meaning of parallel. Very good. You see? Now let's have this one. So let's put that there. Now let's go on the next side. Let's move on to the next slide. So the next slide shows your, oh, that's the other one. Okay, there. So as a whole, so that we are done with that. Now let's move. That is, we have already talked about it. So you just, now here, can you see the image?
Yes.
Okay, so what it says that you have to remember important rules. This is being a polygon to be closed shape. There are 3 or more sides, and each side is a line segment or a straight line. It cannot be like this because that is not a line. Otherwise, it will be a circle. Okay, so when we say line, we're talking about a straight line. We're talking about a straight segment or line segments. เข้าใจไหม?
เข้าใจ
เข้าใจ. Why do I only have
เอาใจ
team?
ข่าว
Okay, why do I only have team? Where are the others? Where are they? Playing games again, right? Now next. So here, what examples do you see? You have the different examples of polygons. So this one has, yes? Who raised hand? Who is that?
sorry
Oh, that's okay. Everybody doesn't have. Hanupan? Oh, you're a spider now. Okay, here. Now, in this slide, you see one example of polygon that is not of the same or equal sides and angles. So how many sides do you see on the first example? Team, how many sides?
5.
5 sides. So, and how many angles are there?
4.
Are you sure? 4?
5.
Okay, that's correct. You said 4, right? So it's actually correct. Why? When we say angle, we have the 4. We have 4 internal angles. So that vertex there, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 internal angles. And then you also have 4 external angles. But teacher, can you call this internal? Yes, that's also included as internal angles. And on the next example, this one. The rest of you, my goodness, you are playing. How many sides are there?
4.
There are 4 sides. And there are also how many vertices? And angles?
4.
4. Are the sides equal or not?
No.
No, yes, no, they are not. Oops. Sorry, but you see, zoom stops and then it goes back. So Please bear with that. So let's continue.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. Let's see again. Let's share again. Can you see now? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, very
Yes.
good. Okay, very good. So there are 4 unequal sides and 4 unequal angles. Now on the last or the third example or shape, how many shapes, how many sides are there?
1.
Hey, sides. This one. How many sides?
3.
Are you sure there are 3? Let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey,
How many?
so far.
There are 10.
Size.
Yes, there are 10 sides. Are the sides equal?
No.
Yes, no, they are not equal. So they are irregular shape. But if it was, when we say 10 sides, what is the meaning of 10 sides? In the polygon, is it pentagon, hexagon, nonagon, or decagon? That's okay. If you, what is it? Oh, I will write it here. You can write it in your notebook, okay? Or you can write it in your, or you can take a picture. So I will write.
Okay.
I will write it here. So 3 sides, you have your triangle, right? That is your triangular, there, triangle. And 4 sides, we call it 4 sides, quadrigon. 4 sides. You did not watch the video, that's why. So there, 4 sides, you call it quadrigon. Now this time let's have the 5 sides. Write it down or take a picture. Write penta. Penta means, because penta means 5, okay? So tri means 3, quad means Tim. What does it mean? Quad. 4.
Don't know.
4 sides means quad. 5 means
Okay.
penta. Yes, same.
I think target 2 people only. Only 2 people. Oh.
Okay, so now listen. And then 6 sides. 6 sides we call hexa. And then you're going to add the word gon, okay? Hexa and then gon. So again, triangle, 3 sides and 3 angles. Quadri means 4 sides and 4 angles. And then you have penta means 5 sides, 5 angles, polygon, hexagon. So what about this one? If I say sides, and I mean hepta, what does it mean? How many sides? Remember, 6 sides, hexagon. What about
7.
7? Yes, very good. You see, that's how it's easy to remember. Now let's move on to the next one. This time, you know your octopus, right? What is octopus?
Yep.
How many legs or tentacles does an octopus have?
8.
8. So therefore, 8 sides is equivalent to octa, and then
Con.
gon. Very good. Yes, that's how easy it is for you to remember. Now, if I say blank sides is equals to no, na, and then gon. What is that? How many sides?
9.
9 sides. Yes, very good. That's correct. That is 9. Oops, what happened? That is 9 sides. Now, next. So that is 9 side. Where is that? So 9 sides. What's happening here? So this one, I'm sorry about that. Wait. Okay, so 9 sides is equals to 9 sides. Let me move this one. Okay, 9 sides is equivalent to, oh, you already have the 9 sides there. Nona and
Nona con.
yes, very good. Now, if I say blank sides is equivalent to decagon. How many sides and angles?
10.
Yes, you see, it's very easy. So remember, polygons have 3 equal sides, okay? There can be more than 3 equal sides. So 3 equal sides, that is your triangle or triangular. And then triangular polygon. And then you have 4 sides, that is quadrigon or quadrilateral. So quadrilateral, like your rectangular shape. And then you have 5 sides, pentagon, 6 sides, 8 sides,
Hexagon.
7 sides,
Heptagon.
8 sides.
octagon.
Octagon.
Very good. Okay. Good. Very good, boys. 9 sides.
Nonagon.
10 sides.
Decagon.
Very good. So when we say deca, we mean 10. Okay, remember that. So if we say deca, we mean 10. Nona, we means 9 now. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one. Let's see. So maybe if we have enough time, we're going to have an exercise. So who is that? Now here. So we have on the screen, you see the different examples of there are different examples of polygons. So this one here, that is a triangle. This one here. 4 equal sides.
Aina. Quadtagon.
Quadrilateral or quadrilateral. Okay, and this one, is it a polygon? Yes, teacher, it is a polygon. Why? It is closed, not open. See, pit. Is everybody back? Yeah. Sorry, Google is shutting automatically.
Sorry, teacher.
No, that's okay. No, it's not your fault. It's nobody's
yes.
fault. Yeah, because please tell your mommy and daddy, tell your parents that Zoom, we study 1 hour,
Okay.
60 minutes, right? But Zoom,
Yes.
every 40 minutes, sisip nati, automatic hit. So we
Yes.
have to log on again. We have to come back. We have to go back to Zoom, okay? You have to connect to
Okay.
Zoom again because it's
Okay,
only
teacher.
40 minutes so that we could study for 60 minutes or 1 hour. Now here, so the shapes, somebody, please wait. I have to let your classmates in. Okay, they are all in. Now here, so you have the different shapes here and they are all flat and closed shapes. Why don't they come in? So please join. Waiting room, where are you? There. Unmute. Anybody else in the waiting room? Okay, so you're all in. You're all in again. And sorry, Sim. Okay, so here you have the different shapes and they are still called polygons. On the next slide, these are not polygons. Why? Why not polygons?
We have 40 minutes. Okay.
Yes, we have 40 minutes. So we have 14 minutes left. That's okay. Now here, so we have the examples here. Are these polygons? No, they are not polygons. This one, it has side, but it has a round shape. This one is not a two-dimensional shape. It is three-dimensional. This one is not a polygon. Why? It's not closed. Cao Jai Mai. Team.
เข้าใจ
Yes, okay. And this one is not also a polygon. Why? Being that it has a straight
because
line.
not
Yes.
have any size.
Yes, very good. Oh, you see, that's how easy it is. Now here, let's look at this example now. There. So this one,
ก็หนูพักมันอยู่มันร้อง
everybody unmute.
ผมบอกกับมาม่าที่มันคอมเมนต์
Unmute.
เปลี่ยน
Put microphone. Let's answer together. What is this? Polygon or not polygon?
polygon
This one.
polygon
Is it
not
polygon?
polygon
Not polygon. Yes. Why? Because it has a curve or like half circle or semicircle. This one, polygon or not polygon?
not polygon
You look at the shape.
polygon
Yes, it's a polygon. This one.
polygon
Very good. This one.
not polygon
Not polygon. Why? Because it is three.
is 3D
Yes,
T
very
and
good.
T.
Yes, three-dimensional. And this one,
Dimension.
polygon or not?
polygon
Polygon. This one.
polygon
This one.
not polygon
And the last one.
polygon
Yes, very good. Okay, so it's very easy. Now let's move on to the next one. Now this time, okay, we already know the sides and the vertex. So let's have a recap or review. So look at that. That is the side, the straight lines or the straight segmented lines, line segments. And then you have the interior angle. Pero wala interior. inside, okay, the angle inside. So exterior, that is the angle outside. So when we say interior, we mean in or inside. This, see, two adjacent sides, inside. So you have the word inside. If we say exterior angle, that is the angle formed by the adjacent line outside there. Exterior means outside, interior means inside. Now let's see. Let's look at the next slide. There. So let's remove this one. Erase, erase. So next time, so everybody, I hope everybody joins next meeting because we will be doing some polygon activities or games. Okay, Mai? Yes? Nobody is answering. I said unmute. Now here. So that is, you could see that in the pentagon, you have the interior angle there. That's the blue one. And that is the exterior. Why? That is formed by an adjacent, two adjacent line outside, because this is the inside of your closed shape of your polygon. And this is the inside. That's the inside, the angle inside or interior, and that is the exterior or angle outside. Now let's move here. So there you go. So angle outside, what is it called? แปลว่าอะไร angle outside กังโน What is it? Angle outside.
Exterior angle.
Yes, very good. Angle inside.
Internal angle.
Interior angle. Okay. Now, what about, you will see, what about this line that runs from that vertex to the opposite vertex? This is what we call diagonal.
Diagonal.
Yes, so a diagonal line forms a triangle. So if you, let's say, we're going to draw another diagonal line connecting there. So how many triangles do you have? How many triangles?
2.
Is it 2 or 3?
3.
3. Now, what if I'm going to, so let's remove this one. Now, what if I'm going to have a line this time, like this? I cross this line there. Oh, it may not be straight. So, how many triangles do you see?
4.
Look at the figure. How many triangles and one quadrilateral? Okay, this
2.
1, 1, 2,
1, 2, 3,
3.
4.
3 only. 1, 2, 3
3.
triangles, okay, and then 1, because this here, this shape here is what we call, this is what we call another, this is parallelogram or quadrilateral. เข้าใจไหม?
เข้าใจ
Yes, so we use the diagonal, line to form a triangle. So whatever shape it is, if we use a diagonal line in two opposite vertices, we make or we form a triangle. So you have to remember that. Now let's move on to the next one. Regular polygon. So when we say regular polygon, we are talking about all angles are equal แปลว่าอะไร equal
เท่ากับ
you forgot
same
เหมือนกัน yes the same very good so regular polygon says sides angles and length are all the same so we call them equilateral because equi means equal so equilateral remember that equilateral means equal sides or they have the same length of sides. Equiangular means equal angles. So equilateral means a polygon that has the same length or size of sides or lines, segmented lines. In equiangular, that is, the angles are equal or they are of the same size, like your triangle and your square. Now how many minutes do we have? So we still have enough time. Now look at that. Where are your classmates?
But
Boys and girls, where are you? Playing again? Who is that? Who is it? Listen, you know that? I will send this to
พี่
YouTube.
เจ๊ว่าน้องหอมแก้มหนูด้วย
มาแล้ว
เอาน้องหอมแก้มหนู
ไม่เป็นไรเลยหอมได้เนาะ
เพราะว่าน้องอยากได้ข้อเสนอ
อะไร
ถ้าเกิดน้องหอมแก้มหนูต้องให้น้องฉาเราเล่นโทรศัพท์ไป
ไอซิมปิดไมค์ไอซิมปิดไมค์
What is
ไม่
that?
ได้บอกว่าหอมแต่ที่บอกก็คือเล่นมาด้วย
Look,
ได้ยินหมดเลยว่ะ
บอกเรื่องหอมแต่จะบอกเรื่องที่ใช้แล้วเล่น
ไอ
ด้วย
ซิมปิดไมค์เพื่อนอย่าเพิ่งมาหอมแก้มเลยตรงนี้เฮ้ยปิดไมค์ก่อน
ปิดไมค์ก่อนปิดไมค์ปิดไมค์
ต่อความจริงที่น้องให้เขาฉาเล่น
ไม่ไม่เขามีทางแล้ว
ฮัลโหลเพื่อน
ไปก่อน
เพื่อนปิดไมค์
พี่เชื่อไปไหน
listen
ก่อน
now. Listen. Look, I am recording our lesson. Why? Teacher Danny is recording the Zoom class today because I will upload
ป้า
YouTube
ป้า
gifted channel.
ป้าป้าป้าป้า
Now here,
อ่าฮะ
ป้า
who is that? Please start. Please mute your microphone. Okay, here. Now we have equilateral polygon. So that means equilateral, that is a polygon with or having all sides equal or the same length. And that is another example is a rhombus. So later on, we're going to study more about the rhombus. Now, equiangular, that means the polygons that have equal angles inside and outside. And you have your regular polygons or irregular polygons. So this one, you have the pentagon and you have the hexagon. And this is your irregular polygons. So the sides and angles are not equal. Now let's look at this slide. So the first one, what is this first one? Team, unmute. Everybody unmute. Team,
ฮะ
first picture, first figure. What is this? What polygon?
triangle
Triangle. Next.
ตายแล้ว
don't know I don't know teacher
Wait, square or quadrilateral,
โอ
quadrigon.
เค
4. This one,
อืม
pen,
ไฟ เป็นตาก่อน
pentagon.
จะ
Very
ก่อน
good.
โอเค
6. Hex.
เฮกซากอน
Very good. 7. Hep,
ทากอน
heptagon.
โอ้เหลี่ยมเตะเดียว
Next,
เอาไว้เอาไว้ไม่รับเข้าเรียน
ok. Okleo.
ไปบนโต๊ะ
อืม
ไปบนโต๊ะ
What is this?
ออกทากอน
Very good. Like
โอ้
okleo.
ฮะออกตะกอนก็ถือ
Okay, now let's see tasks. If you make this will be your homework. That is, you're going to draw 2 different triangles. We studied about the triangles. And then you are to measure or write the angles, okay? You have to
Oh, 10
calculate
points.
the sum. Yes, 10 points. บวก 50 คะแนน จริงๆ I'm not joking. You take a picture of that. Draw 2 different triangles. So we have studied the triangles before. Now here, so you remember that. Now regular polygon. So look at that. That is your triangle, and that is your quadrigon or quadrilateral. It means 4 sides are equal. Now, next, rectangle. That is parallelogram. Why parallelogram? Because how many sides are equal? Or how many equal sides are there?
ป่าหลามrectangle
How many equal sides are there?
4
2. Yes. The bottom.
Huh?
Right. This is a rectangle. So this length is not the same as the side. So the bottom line and the top line and the bottom line are of the same length. Left side and right side are of the same length. So you have 2 parallel lines, or we call this polygon as parallelogram. In other words, opposite sides are parallel, or equal sides are of the same length. Same with but what about the angles? Are they different or the same? 4 angles, different or the same?
4 angle ก็แปลว่า4มุมนะนักเรียน
นี่ไง
ไม่เป็นไรไม่เป็นไรอีมาไม่เป็นไร
นี่อะไร equal,
ไม่เป็นไร
4
เฉย
equal angles or not? Are the angles equal? Angles are equal or not? Yeah, I'm sharing. The angles are equal. Look at that. So there are 4 right angles. So this one, if you cut this one, that's going to be a right angle, right angle, right angle. So there are 4 right angles, and they are of the same size or measure. Now pentagon, there you see the pentagon, and you have hexagon, heptagon. This one is octagon, and that one is nonagon. Now there you go. Here. So next time, how many minutes do we have left? We still have time. Team.
What?
Unmute.
โอ
Unmute.
เค
Unmute. I couldn't hear you. Unmute.
Okay.
Do we still have time? How many minutes now?
5 minutes.
Time finished, or we still have some time? Motwela?
Yes. Out of
ใช่ครับ
time.
หมดเวลาแล้วครับใช่แล้วครับ yes yes หมด
Okay,
เวลาแล้ว
so
ใช่ yes
okay.
Yes.
Listen. Next week, please join. I will tell teacher 1 and I will tell teacher phone to
ครับ
okay, to tell you, to explain you that you have to attend your Zoom class because we are going to finish your Polygon chapter so that when we go back to school, we start another chapter. Who is that? Now, next week, we are going to talk about how to calculate the angles, okay? I will teach you how to calculate the angles. And we're going to have games. Games that will give you scores, okay, Mai?
Okay.
Okay, so this is for all today. And everybody, goodbye, stay safe, and wishing you a happy weekend. So very good team, I'm happy. Team and those of you who are answering back or joining in the speaking. So look at that, you keep writing. So okay, now goodbye, thank you, and I'll see you again next week.
bye
Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Yes, really nice seeing you again. Though you don't
Goodbye,
have
teacher.
goodbye.
ปลาหลามปลาหลาม
Bye.
ไปแล้วครับคุณชอ
bye bye bye
Bye bye.
โอ้
Okay.
เอ้ยโอ้ย
บายบาย
ไปแล้ว
ไปแล้วจ้า
Bye bye. Oh, you can
Bye.
go on. You can leave.
ปลาหลามปลาหลามปลาหลามปลาหลามปลาหลามปลาหลามโอ้ว้าว